What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Today I got the twin Glocks with me. Glock 17, Gen 4, 18, Gen 3. My brother's a Twitch streamer, so you feel me? Shout out to the D Boogie. Go follow his Twitch, man. He got his new PC. He's gonna be starting up his stream soon, and every time he dies in Warzone, he's getting shot. And if he die in the Gulag, bro, he's getting that full auto from the Glock 18C, so he gotta turn up real quick. We'll slide that in the 18C, loaded and ready. One in the head.
I cannot die, man.
This drop is hot.
All right, so the game started, and he's streaming right now.
Yeah, every time I die, he shoot me with a BB gun.
Okay, my boy already got a knock.
I think it's a team over here.
Bro, what?
Esai.
I don't have ammo, bro.
They're gonna shit himself right now.
Ammo behind you.
Oh, almost pulled off the full team clutch. Oh,
What gun is that?
the Glock 17. That joint with the blowback. He's not gonna die again.
I'm not dying again.
Let's see, if he dies in the Gulag, bro, he's getting that full auto switch. Please. Damn, he don't die in the Gulag, bro. Shout out the boys in the chat.
I'm on full bug out mode right now. I know I heard somebody in here. Or not. Yeah, I'm just paranoid, bro. Really not trying to get shot at, BB, man.
To your right, to your right, to your right.
Oh, man. Crept up on him at the buy station. He was just ready to get his mans back. Y'all know what time it is.
That hurts, bro.
It hurts. I wish I never said I loved you first.
Dude.
Ooh.
Yeah, Esai, come on. Dude.
That boy already got 4 kills. He died twice, though. This is the first game. We're going to play 2 more after this. Hopefully, you know, we can secure a win on stream.
Right under us, right under us, right under us. Oh, he's horrible.
He flew down.
Relocating.
Sheesh.
Did I down him?
Boy going crazy.
He's weak. I broke his shield. Oh, he just bought back. Yo, pushing that truck. Yeah, facts.
In the air.
Downed him in the air.
Hey, sniper in front of him.
He's running, G. He's running like... No way. Not like this. 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 Oh, shit. Chill out. No, bro. Yo. Yeah, go. No way, bro.
Get out. What the f? He's close.
Another buy station, bro.
That's your shit's fine. Where are they at?
Up top.
Damn.
There's people camping buy station, man. This makes me want to rub my back on something, bro.
Look at what he's doing to my trash can, though. I see that. Like, you feel me? That's what it's doing to his back. My game is set up, too. I'm a little streamer. All right, so that's the end of the first game. He finished with 7 kills, and he died 3 times. Now we're going to go ahead and start up another one. Hopefully, this game is a little better. We're going to see what he do.
The only thing I don't like about Huskers, though, is that man does 8 hours, and then he's off. Might let it.
Although, his other kid's on, he's dog. but he's still on. His name's BB.
All right, he's knocked, and they finished. Second game on, it was a quick death off spawn. It's tough.
Back up.
No, I was gonna say run. Oh, I missed. Oh, got him. I'm not left-handed, bro. Will he get the full auto on top of the getting shot? Man. Okay. Hype in the chat, man. Hype in the chat.
Jade, you, sir.
Bounty right here.
Bounty contract identified.
This Amax is
Hostile
sexy.
dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
I can't use it. I just fell off.
That's the thing though, like I have my teammate, well one of my teammates is trying to make me lose, so he's just a hoe. Yeah.
Oh my.
I'm hit.
Bro, what? Top of the roof.
He flew down.
Going this way. Don't worry, you'll make
Please. My bounty's right here.
Did you kill that kid?
Bounce.
Drop inbound.
Which kid?
There he is.
That's him? Oh,
Shit, I lied.
Oh my gosh. Like what the world? Whoa! It's gonna bounce right back towards me. Alright, so that was the quick game 2. Now we're heading to game 3. Alright, since this is his last attempt at a game, we're gonna use the Glock 18C. So every death, bro, he's getting a little full auto burst, bro. Really can't die.
I'm really
Really can't
Because
die.
we didn't say that before this. Like, you're not about to just do that. No.
Really can't die now.
We made the rule. If I get died in the gulag, I get shot with that. That was the rule. You're not.
The rules changed.
No, they didn't.
Really can't die
No,
now.
they didn't, man. Sorry.
Just don't die. Simple.
I think because you're tier 1.
What's his first?
I have 3 subs already. Oh, come on, bro.
Primary objective. Kill them all.
Hey, one in my stairwell running.
Well, I got this guy.
That was a close call. 2 kills off rip. Let's get it.
I'm pushing it, bro.
Stairs.
Alright, hold up, bro, hold up. Here we
No,
go, again.
Gary, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, you literally know how I play, bro.
Most wanted target neutralized. Well,
lights out.
That's on, bro. Yeah, they're butt. They're horrible, bro. Imagine. I did not mean to switch seats, bro. I'm getting out. Oh my gosh, bro. I down one. Bro, there's no way. Up here, like up on the mountain. Down 2.
They dog.
Yeah, they're pretty sure.
Let's go.
We gotta get the dub right here, bro.
Just caught the UAV. My boy got 7 kills. Just trying to go crazy for the last game. Let's see if we can pull off this dub.
Going hard left. Like. Yeah, they are. I'm about to get on this mountain, bro. I'm about to get on this mountain. They're about to go like down here, maybe by that buy cart.
The sniper scope is.
allied.
Yo, yep, they are.
Getting hit.
It's in the window. I'm pushing them.
I don't know where they're at. What the f*** where I get sniped from?
Oh my god, they're horrible, bro. They just suck me with a fucking. Damn.
Oh, that's some good stress.
That's some bullshit.
Bro got 9 kills. Just got sent to the
What's up,
gulag.
Alex? I swear, if this dude killed me, he's obviously camping right here.
No. So he's not getting in touch with that 18C full auto.
Take buy station though, bro.
18 people left.
Come on,
19
come on.
people now. He just bought back. Let's see if he can clutch up this dub for y'all.
Let's go. He's in the shack.
Reposition.
What?
There's
Yeah.
still another person in there. Oh, these guys are
Yeah,
so
they're right
weird,
here on the
bro.
edge.
Oh, he's down
They're
here.
right here on the edge.
They are. This guy's good.
I think going out here is the play. Nope, I knew it, bro. He's up there.
Target remains standing.
Throwing shot.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the
I'll
safe
stop the
zone.
bleeding.
Overhead. Gas is inbound.
Let's head to the safe zone. I'm not dead yet.
Oh my god. Let's go! Still on the same stairs. You gotta come down, boy. Another one, one more up top. Good sh**.
5 left.
I'll stop the bleeding.
I think he's like
5 left. He got
Close.
14 kills. Come on.
this sucks.
I don't know where, bro.
They gotta be up top here. Or down low.
Gas is moving in.
I don't got nothing on
Safe zone
heartbeat.
located.
They gotta be up top.
Got gas moving in.
2v3, bro. We good, we good. Yeah, they're up top. But it doesn't sound like they're all the way up top. He's down low. Damn. Bro. What the f-
Damn. 1v3. Can his man's clutch it? If his man's clutch up, he's not getting shot. He just got killed, but it says 1v1.
Yeah.
If his man's clutch this dub, he's not getting shot because it's a win.
Let's go! Let's go, Richard!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Shout out to them boys. Except Garrett, bro. Garrett's some butt. You feel me? I had this on standby. He never lost in the gulag, so he didn't have to pull out the full auto. But he still got to get shot for that one time.
You just said if he clutched up, I didn't think it's, I'll get shot. I don't even care.
Nah, I remember that one time when you didn't go because you went in the gulag and won. Ooh, tuck the pipe. All right, guys, so that's the end to another banger BB gun challenge video. My brother got the dub. He had 14 kills, bro. He's cracked at Warzone. So go check out his Twitch. It'll be linked in the description.
Shout out Richard and Gigi.
Shout out them boys. Spam that chat. He just an affiliate, so you know, go subscribe. You see it. I'm top sub. Where I'm, oh, you see it. Esai giving subscribe. Go subscribe, man. Get him to 10 subs. His sub goal. Everything linked in the description. I also be playing the game with him. I have a second channel, Egua. Make sure you subscribe to that. I live stream strictly on that channel. I might migrate to Twitch one day further down the road, but just subscribe to my second channel for now for them gaming live streams. And I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Welcome back to another. Like that.